Hi, welcome back to my channel. I have a broken amplifier here. And I thought, let's have a look inside. This might be interesting for you. For this type of screw, I need a really large Phillips screwdriver. This is the number 3. I think we need the number 4. Oh yeah. This fits nicely. Okay, let's open it up right now. I don't know what's inside and I'm very curious. Probably, yeah, seems like there's one big large toroidal transformer. I guess there are 2 heat sink things, probably a power supply with some caps, a little board here for the volume and the frequency crossover section. So yeah, let's have a look right now. Oh, wow, look at that. Oh my god. Wow, this is a large one. Woohoo! I will do some detailed photos for you, which will I post at the end of this video. This, by the looks of it, is a Toshiba power transistor or MOSFET. And there are many of these. Wow! The toroidal transformer is huge. This is a monster. Unbelievable. Oh yeah, that's a great transformer. And this is probably a mu metal shielding. Now the PCB is basic. It is a 2-layer construction. It is not too bad. We don't see high quality caps. These are more like, yeah, Chinese or Taiwanese caps. Oh, this one could be quality. What is it? It's not. It's beryl, whatever that means. We see a huge relay for the output. This is the other board for the other channel. It has a different relay on the output. Maybe this is the stereo channel board, because this is a 3-way 3-channel amplifier for 2 top channels, so yeah, left and right high frequencies, and 1 subwoofer channel. Yeah, here's only 1 output, and here are 2, I guess. Oh yeah, here are 2 inputs, and here's 1 input. So this section is the low frequency amp, and this one is the high frequency stereo amp. Beautiful. Here's the output board. Here are the speakon outputs. The solder joints are okay. Here are the XLR out inputs and loop through, probably. Cinch outputs, inputs, some pots for the frequency, for the crossover frequency. Everything fine here. And this is the board that made problems. I think I have to remove the faceplate in order to get access to this board here. This sucks. Okay, in order to remove the faceplate, I have to unscrew these screws here, one on the top, one on the bottom. And in order to do that, I have to remove the power amp section, and on the other side as well. So this is a pain, really. Anyway, I have to do it. Here is the power supply. We see some, yeah, no-name caps. At least I haven't seen this name before. RM CD293. And what do we see here? Yeah. Okay. Oops. No ventilation yet, but it's not good looking, at least. The power resistors down here are not dimensioned correctly. I don't really like to see this. That's not good. Next to the cap. Anyway, I hope you liked and enjoyed this short episode, and see you again soon. Bye. No, removing the faceplate doesn't change my situation. I have to remove the power transformer, and then I can access this board here. Here are 4 more power resistors which are dimensioned not correctly in terms of power and heat dissipation. I will measure if these are still fine, and of course, yeah, the electrolytics get cooked. That's not a good design, really. There was a power limiter switch which was completely rotten. I have removed all 3 of them, and I will permanently set the limiter to on, because with this closed system with the matching speakers, I want the limiter to be on. It is my own personal equipment, so this is fine. And of course, if I want to remove the limiter, I simply cut it out, and I can rejoin it again if I decide to switch the limiter on again.